How's it going, everybody? I hope you're doing well. Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken Vada. Now, Vada is an Indian snack. There's many different versions of it. Vada pav, which is like a vegetarian dish coated in batter and deep fried. So it's not particularly healthy for you, but extremely tasty. So what will you need? Get yourselves a couple of tins of chickpeas, some tandoori curry powder, some turmeric, garlic granules, ginger, some spring onion. Now, some recipes called for finely chopped coriander or cilantro. Now, I'm keeping this very basic, still equally as tasty. It is up to you if you want to use the coriander or not. That's fine. Get yourself some chicken thighs. Now, all I'm going to do with this is just take the skin off, like so. Now, I'm using chicken thighs because I just find they're just so versatile. You can do so much with them, and we're going to boil these up. So whilst the chicken thighs are boiling, we'll get on to the next stage of the recipe. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've finely chopped the spring onion whilst the chicken's nicely boiling over there. So I'll pop that to one side. Next, you're going to need a blender. Look at that, you can see straight down into the middle of that. Get yourself a blender. If you haven't got a blender, there is the long way around, which is grinding it all up by hand. So in there, as you can see, I've got the chickpeas, or in India they call it chana dal. So if you see on another recipe chana dal, it basically means chickpea. So I've opened a tin, drained the excess water off, and I'm going to put those into the blender along with our spices. So the first one, I'm going to get the tandoori curry powder and just a good sprinkle in there. There's probably about 4-5 teaspoons in there. The turmeric, about 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Oh, there we go, like so. Next, our garlic, about a teaspoon of garlic, and our ginger, about 2 teaspoons of ginger. There we go, fantastic. Right, next is the noisy bit. Now, you don't want it to turn into a paste. You want it quite like gritty and not just one big chickpea milkshake. So make sure there is that little bit of grittiness consistency in there. Now, I'm going to spare you the noise, so I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to empty the contents into a bowl, and we'll take it from there. So I shall catch you within a blink of an eye. And here we are. So that's that done. It does take a little while to do. It's not a fast process by any means, but when it's done, you get this nice, coarse, gritty mixture. So to that, just swill my hands. The turmeric will dye your hands, by the way, folks. So if you've got some gloves, some cooking gloves, they're latex gloves, use them. There we go. Okay, so in there I'm going to put the spring onion, and I'm going to mix that up. Then all we are waiting for then is our chicken. So when our chicken is boiled, we'll get to the next stage. So I'll give that a mix and get back to you when the chicken's done, which to you will be like that. Okay, so the chicken's done. Let it cool down a little bit, then I just removed the meat from the bone. And next, what I'm going to do, yet again, takes a little time to do, and just finely chop it. Just keep going and going and going until you get a nice coarse, pretty similar to the chickpeas actually. So I'll just keep doing this for a good while and I'll get back to you when it's done, so at least you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, there you have it, done. It does take a little while to do, but eventually you get like a breadcrumb consistency, like so, and that's what you're after. So that is going to go into our mixture. So if I bring that over there, and pop that into our mixture. There we go. And bring that all together. Smells absolutely gorgeous, by the way. Now you can get your hand if you want to, if you've got a glove, which I haven't. However, I will be getting my hand dirty in a minute or two when I've got to make the small pâtés, the burgers. So there we go. Fantastic. So now we've got to deep fry them. But first, if you take yourself a little bit of the mixture and just make a very small flat burger type shape like that, and that's going to go into the fryer. So let's go over there and get it done. Okay, so here we are. Now I do apologise, ladies and gentlemen, I did say fryer, didn't I? Shallow fry. My mistake, I do apologise. Don't do it again, Stuart. Okay, so that's on a medium heat. So we've got our Vada, and we're going to place those in there and fry them either side till nice golden brown. So we'll let them do what they've got to do, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So do try. They are extremely tasty, and if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Even better, click subscribe, it would mean the world to me. Join the crew, plenty more videos coming. So I'm going to let those nicely fry. Shallow fry, by the way. I am sorry. We can't all be perfect, but there you go. And yeah, I shall catch you in the next video. See ya.